welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Rosemary Rasam. This is a very healthy recipe and an immunity booster. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. 2 mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. Now to this add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot, and to this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 2 dried red chillies, few curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, a pinch of Asafoetida, the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mushy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add half cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well, allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and off the flame. Now our delicious rosemary rasam is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. So do try this rosemary rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.